Hello everyone, today we learn how you can install Windows 7 into your computer or into your laptop. So first at all, just insert the DVD of that Windows 7 into your drive, DVD writer, or you can use a USB pen drive also. So let's start. How you can proceed. After inserting the DVD, it will show you a message that press any key. So you have to press any key on that, and then after that it will look like this. Let's see. Windows is loading file. It's a very easy process to install Windows if we compare to Unix, Linux or other operating systems. So it's quite easy to install Windows. So let's see how you can do so. It will take some 20 to 25 minutes to install completely. So it will be gonna a long video. I hope you will not be getting bored. The same process will look into your PC or into your laptop also when you were gonna install the Windows. After inserting the DVD into the DVD writer or pen drive also, you have to make your pen drive bootable if you wanna use pen drive, and you have to set up the bootloader settings on your pen drive so it will run your pen drive. And by the same way you can install Windows 8 or Windows 10 also. The almost settings of these windows are same, but if we talk about Windows XP2, then the settings of XP2 and the functions and keys used to install the Windows XP2 are different, so maybe you will face a little difficulty to install. So now we are here. It's showing two options. This is the DVD of Windows 7 Ultimate. One is for 32-bit 8086 series of 32-bit, and this is the 64-bit operating system. This is the 32-bit operating system, so you can use any one, whichever you want to install. I am going to install the 64-bit, so click on 64-bit and then click next. Now it will copy the Windows files, then expand Windows files, then it will install features and install updates, and this is the final step of completing installation. In this step it will wrap up everything and give a final interface. So let's wait while it will complete. It will take some 10 to 15 minutes. After inserting the DVD, the first step that you have to uh, choose is the Windows Windows bit step, in which you have to choose which operating system you want to install, that is 32-bit or 64-bit, and after that you have to click next, and then you have to select in which drive you want to install that. Select that particular drive you want to install in C or in D or in E or F. So you have to select that drive in which you want to install, and make sure if you are installing the Windows 7 operating system, then what happens in Windows 7 operating system, if already there is a operating system in your computer or in your laptop, that is maybe Windows XP 2 or maybe any other operating system, so what it will do, it will does not remove that old operating systems automatically. It will install this current operating system also, and the old operating system will also remain in that. So that will cause a mashup, or you will face some problems regarding your processor, because it will be a burden on your processor, and also it will take more storage in your hard disk, because the old operating system was also in that. So first at all, in which disk you want to install that particular operating system, so you have to format that disk. Just suppose you want to install in C, so first at all format that disk C, and then select it to install and click next. Then it will show you the next step, which is on the screen. This is the next step after doing that. Here I am using the VMware to show you how you can install Windows. So in this that particular step was missing, in that you select in which disk you want to install, so that step was missing, if you notice. So and there is nothing difficult in that step. It's very easy. You have to select that disk in which you want to install your operating system, and then click format that single disk, and then click next, and it will show you the current state as you can see on screen. Okay, so I hope it will be easy for you. If you face any problem regarding this, you can comment me. So I don't want to make this video very longer, so I'm gonna pause the recording, and I will show you after these all steps will be completed automatically. You have nothing to do in these steps. These are completely automatically steps in which they will expand Windows files and install features and install updates. So I'm gonna pause for that time, so video will be shorter. Now it's 11% completed, as you can see. Let's wait a little more. Now it's 40% completed. We have to wait more, so wait and wait and wait. Now it's 58% completed, and now it's become 59, 60. Actually this expanding Windows file step depends on your computer processor. If you have a faster processor, then it will go faster. how many operating systems that I have seen yet. In all of those, the Windows 7 and Windows XP and these Windows operating systems are very easy to install and use and have such a nice GUI. So that's why they are so popular and so easy to use, and very easy to install also. So now after seeing this video, I hope you will also be able to install Windows on your own in your personal computer and personal laptop. Now as you can see, the second step, expanding Windows files, has been almost completed, and the third step was also has been completed. Now the fourth step is going on. Now the setup has been updating the registry settings and it has been done. Setup is starting services. Now we are in almost end in this series to install the Windows operating system. Now it will restart again, and I hope this is the final restarting process. Now the complete setup is almost completed. This is the final step. Now you have to give your computer name. I am giving Texel. Next. Now you can select any of these settings, use recommended settings, and you install important updates only. It's for the updations, and I will select ask me later. Now you can set up your home network also. If you have, you can select home network, work network, and public network. So I have home network. I will select home network because I have a home connection. So now we have our final GUI. This is the interface for Windows 7. So okay guys, this was the video for how to install Windows 7 into computer. So if these videos helps you and you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video, and keep supporting me. Keep loving, keep smiling, keep loving nature, keep loving pets. Bye bye, see ya, see you next time.